Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Nurmanditya, and I am excited to share with you why I am the right person to be a GDSC leader at University of Sangga Buana. Firstly, I am a natural leader with a strong track record of success. Throughout my academic, I have always taken on leadership roles and have led teams to achieve great results. I have experience leading projects, events, and clubs such as the Kelompok Studi Pasar Modal, where I was the leader from 2019 to 2020. We organized successful events and workshops that help our members develop their skills in the stock market. Secondly, I am highly skilled in various programming languages such as PHP, Python, R, SQL, and have experience with technology like Excel, Google Data Studio, and Google Analytics. I believe that technology is the future, and I am passionate about exploring and integrating into my academic studies. Lastly, I am an experienced speaker and have given talks on programming, data analysis, and generative AI. I enjoy sharing my experience and knowledge with others and believe that it is important to give back to the community. As a GDSC leader, I will be committed to creating an inclusive and collaborative environment where students can develop their skills and have access to the latest technology. I would love to share more about my experiences and ideas for the club. Thank you.